Hi there, Lina and Delaney back for another episode of Now Viewing. Lina, did you know there is a Friday the 13th in March this year?
Oh, so is that why you're wearing green all day?
I have to take as many precautions as I can.
I guess that also explains all the rabbit's feet on your desk this morning.
You can't be too careful.
Well, that's good because today's episode is based on how to stay lucky during your giving day.
And it's also given JD an opportunity to rehearse his lucky dance, which I believe we have a clip of.
Anyway, let's go over our top 3 ways on how to be prepared for your upcoming giving day.
These tips are going to be given by our brand new customer success managers, Jen and Hindo. Take it away.
Tip number 1 is to know your segments and build your campaign beforehand. Whether personalizing by name, designation, years giving, or any other category, make sure you have your campaign ready to go for your date or the day of.
So the second tip is to get your squad together. This could be social media ambassadors, students, volunteers, staff, even board members. Maybe even send them a thank you to invite them to your giving day party.
Tip number 3 is to assign roles. When someone donates, what is the system to thank them as quickly as possible? Who records the video, who uploads the list, and who's in charge of approvals and sending? Make sure everybody knows who's doing what the day of.
And that's what it takes to stay lucky on your giving day.
Till next time. Oh wait, is that a black cat?
What? Oh my god.